Tasty biryani. Yummy food. Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going on a delicious adventure to discover the fantastic world of biryani. Let's get started. Your delicious biryani is ready to be enjoyed with salad. It's perfect for sharing with family and friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy cooking! Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes like this. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your yummy biryani.